Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Carlee, so welcome. So today I have a really fun video planned for y'all. I'm going to be taking y'all along with me as I clean up my room, and then later as I decide where to put up and how to put up my new collage kit. So first I'm going to be tidying up a bit because I just got back from a trip with my family, and so I barely unpacked stuff, and I'm going to wash my sheets. And yeah, I'm just going to kind of tidy things up. I tidied up a little bit last night, and so you'll see some clips from that, but I'm going to do a big portion of it today. And later is the fun part where I get to put up the collage kit and stuff like that. And so yeah, there's actually kind of a funny story behind the collage kit as well, so I'll share that with y'all later. But yeah, let's just get right into the video. So I put my sheets in the washer, and now I'm going to do some cleaning, and I'm going to hang up some clothes and stuff like that. So now I'm done cleaning my room and washing my sheets and making my bed and everything like that. On to the fun part. So here is my collage kit. It's a Tezza collage kit, and if y'all have seen them, they're very pricey on the regular website. But I actually got this brand new from Poshmark, and fun story about that, I actually got it from Brooke Highland, who used to be on Dance Moms, and I'm like a huge Dance Moms fan. I follow her on Poshmark, and I saw that she was selling this, so I got it like so cheap, and so I'm super excited. I've actually been wanting this for so long, and I thought about getting it many times, but I just could never do it because of how expensive it was, like at regular retail price. I think I'm gonna put all the pictures up on this wall. I love that picture that I have up right now, but I don't really have anywhere else to put the collage. I think it would be cute in front of like my little couch thing. Last night I filmed some clips of me like sorting through the pictures and stuff, and I sorted like in a yes pile, a maybe pile, and a no pile. And so I'm going to start with like the yes pictures. I'm going to put all of those up, and I may need more, so I may go into the maybe pile. They're all really cute, but I'm going for like a certain vibe. I guess I'm going to use Scotch tape, which may not hold it very well, but I'm just going to try it. So yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, so now I have y'all set up in front of my wall, so I'm just gonna take this thing down. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. People off the website recommended using Scotch tape, and that's all I have. So yeah, I'm gonna use that, and it may not all say. I don't know how I'm gonna arrange these pictures, but I'm super excited. I guess I'll just put this in time lapse and stuff because I want to listen to my music. Okay, so I have my camera on a tripod right now, so that's why it's kind of like weird, but I figured out a better system than just putting up the pictures one by one. I've laid them out and like put tape on all of them. It's gonna make it a lot faster. I think will be a good technique to use. Alright, so that is just about it with this video. I'm sorry I'm talking soft, but all my family is asleep since it's a lot later now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had such a fun time making it, and so I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I love my new collage wall. It's so pretty, and I think it adds such spice to my room. It was even more fun than I got it from Brooke Highland. Please leave video ideas down below in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!